Scanning a signature and a photo in your mobile phone is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will tell you exactly how you guys can do it. So for that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So what you have to do is to download this application, which is known as Microsoft Lens PDF scanner, and once you have installed that application, open it up, give all the necessary information that it requires in order to process. And once you have given all the necessary information and all the permissions, simply open the application and go to the scan. Well, just throw down your sign on a blank piece of paper, and once you have done that, the process is going to be very seamlessly easy. So all you have to do is to go ahead on your signature and just simply capture a photo. So right here, I'm just gonna go and focus now. The picture is kind of a blurry. I'm just gonna go ahead and try again without flash. So here you guys can see that I have captured the photo with the help of the application, and I'm just gonna go ahead and inform on that. I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize the photo range because I just need the signature and not the blank part. And as you guys can see that I have cropped it down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press on confirm button. And right now, what I have to do is to go ahead and click on the document form, and here it will be converted into a document, or I can go with the black and white picture. So just go ahead and click on done button. And once you've done that, you will see that there are multiple options. For example, you can even type in the text, and once you do that, you can even type text into the application. So this is another way. So simply go ahead and click on done, and once you do that, there will be multiple options. For example, you can convert that thing into a PDF form, or any other sort of form that you want to convert. For example, you can go with a Word document, and you can go with a PowerPoint document, and just select the PDF file or any format that you would like, and then press on save button. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.